Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As y'all boys can see, we in the garage. And my boys at GRIDREADY and hooked us up with some 5-inch tips. Let y'all see they socials right here. Make sure y'all boys tap in with them boys if y'all need 5-inch tips. And if y'all didn't know, my paddle shift is on my cars by them too. So y'all tap in with them, man. Let me show y'all the tips. We got the tips right here. We're gonna go and install them today, man. Y'all boys can see we got the factory tips. Let y'all get a look before. And then we're gonna install these and I'm gonna get back with y'all. The dog tips is on. As y'all see, the 5-inch tips is on. Let y'all get a good look of them. Yeah, man. Call a little dirty. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all 360 footage. And I'm gonna give y'all the head mount footage of how it sound out with the 5-inch tips on. I would say the tips made a slightly big difference. They look better, and the tone a little deeper. Y'all boys, make sure y'all follow that Instagram too, man. I got a lot of 360 footage on there, and I'm thinking about starting a little IG community where we could talk and, you know, bond together. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like a Discord, but for IG. So make sure y'all boys follow the gram. Got a lot on there. A lot of behind the scenes on that gram, man. Make sure y'all boys follow up. Follow up, follow up, follow up.